Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to explain you guys different codes abbreviation used in HVAC system. So before I start this video, I'd like to request you all guys, if you still not subscribe my channel, please do subscribing and hit the bell icon as well, so that whenever I upload any video, you will get the notification of that video. So the abbreviation used in HVAC is, the first one is ASTM. And the description, abbreviation and description. So ASTM is a stand for American Standard for Testing Materials. Okay, so this is one of the standard which is generally used for the testing of the materials. BS is a stand for the British Standard, so this is belongs to British Standard. And ISO means the Internal Organization for Standardization. Okay, next one is ANSI. ANSI is a stand for American National Standard Institutes. Okay, this is one of the others. And AMCA is nothing but the Air Movement and Control Association Internationals. Okay, next one is ASRE. So ASRE is a stand for American Society of Heating, Refrigeration and Air Conditioning Engineers. Handbook and guidelines is also available in the ASRE standard. Okay, so next your abbreviation is SMACNA, which is used for the ducting, sheet metal and air conditioning contractors and national associations. And next one is IEC. IEC is nothing but it is a stand for International Electromechanical Commission, International Electrotechnical Commission. Okay, and the next is IMC, International Mechanical Code. Okay, and next one is IPC, so International Plumbing Code, which is used in plumbing. Okay, so different codes and standards are given in this handbook, IPC. NFPA is nothing but the National Fire Protection Association, which is belongs to the firefighting system. Okay, and HVAC is nothing but the Heating and Ventilation Contractors Associations, DW 143 144. SIPSI is nothing but the Chartered Institute of Building Service Engineers guides. So SIPSI is mostly used in UL is nothing but the Underwrites Laboratory. UL listed, you hear this word so many times, UL listed. So UL is nothing but the Underwrites Laboratory. FM and FMG is nothing but the Factory Mutual Global or Factory Mutual. Okay, and AHRI is nothing but formerly ARI. The full form for AHRI is nothing but the Air Conditioning, Heating and Refrigeration Institutes, or Air Conditioning Refrigeration Institutes, formally it says. So I hope you guys have idea regarding this abbreviation and its description. So this is very useful, and so many places in HVAC and MEP topics and MEP services this abbreviation and is using. And so this is very important to know, very important for the MEP engineers. So I hope you guys learn something from this video. So in the next tutorials I will explain you guys the different codes and standards used in HVAC and MEP system. So please be with me and keep watching my video. So thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Bye bye.